right into it, friends. So today we're going to do another experiment. We're going to dissolve things. Remember, dissolve means it breaks apart in water. Yesterday we had dissolved Skittles in water. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to try one item at a time to see what else dissolves in water and what does not, okay? So I went around my kitchen and I got a couple different things, and we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday, where we are going to try to dissolve the item in hot water. So the first thing I have here is I have some nuts and seeds, okay? So what do you guys think? If I put the nuts and the seeds in hot water, do you think they're going to dissolve? Make your prediction, yes or no? So what do you guys think? Are they going to dissolve or not? Let's see. So I'm going to put it in hot water. And I'm going to stir, and we'll see if it dissolves. So right now I'm going to stir. And does it look like it dissolved? No, right? It stayed exactly the same. It's just slightly wet, okay? It definitely did not break apart. It looks exactly the same. So no, this did not dissolve in water. We see it looks exactly the same. It's just slightly wetter than it was. So let's try something else. We're going to do salt now. So what do you guys think? Do you think the salt is going to dissolve in the water or not? What do you think? What's your prediction? Okay, so now let's test it out. Going to put our salt in the water. And we're going to put the hot water in, and we'll stir. Okay, so now we're going to stir it. And something's happening. Do you guys see the salt anymore? No, it disappeared, right? We just have water. It's a little foggy, but it's still water. So where'd our salt go? Well, I think I know. Our salt dissolved in the hot water, right? It broke apart. You can't see it anymore. So our salt dissolved. So it disappeared in the water. Now let's try our next thing. Our next one is sugar. So what do you guys think? Do you think the sugar is going to dissolve in the water, or is it going to stay the same? So you tell me your prediction. What do you think? Is our sugar going to dissolve, or is it going to stay the same? So here's our sugar, right? Now I'm going to add our boiling water to it. And let's see if it does nothing or if it dissolves in the water. I already see something happening. Now let's stir it. And our sugar is disappearing. Do you guys see the sugar anymore? Yep, it's all gone, right? It dissolved and disappeared and broke apart in our water. So our sugar dissolved in water. Well, you know what, friends? If we remember from yesterday, we already knew that. Our Skittles were made of what? They were made of sugar, right? And this is made of sugar, and our sugar dissolved in the water. Look, you can't see it anymore. So sugar definitely dissolves in water. So far we have the sugar and the salt dissolving in water. Okay, my next one is I have some Lucky Charms cereal. So what do you guys think? If I put the Lucky Charms cereal in the water, do you think it's going to dissolve? Yes or no? So let's see. Let's see if we can make this dissolve. And I pour the water in. I'm going to stir it. And literally nothing happened. Did our cereal dissolve, guys? No, nothing happened at all. Well, it's a pretty good thing, right? Because when we eat cereal, we put it in milk. If our cereal dissolved, when we put it in liquid, we would have literally nothing to eat. So it's a good thing it doesn't dissolve in water, so it stayed the same. So the last thing I'm going to try to dissolve are these sprinkles. Okay, so what do you guys think about the sprinkles? Are the sprinkles going to dissolve, or are they going to stay exactly the same when I put them in the hot water? So here's our sugared sprinkles. It kind of looks like the thing that's on Peeps. Okay, I'm going to pour the hot water in. And we're going to stir it. I'm noticing something. My water's turning pink, but my sprinkles are starting to disappear into the water. Anyone want to take a guess why? Does anyone know what sprinkles are made out of? They're made out of sugar, okay? Remember I said this is usually the sugar that's found on Peeps candy, okay? Candy's made out of sugar. Well, this is the sugar they use on top. If you guys look, the water's pink, but all my sugar's gone from the bottom, okay? We just see the pink water now. So, we can see from our experiment that our seeds and our cereal did not dissolve. But if we look at our salt and our sugar, all we see is water left, right? We can't see the salt and we can't see the sugar. And for our sprinkles, the water turned pink. But if you could see, if you look on the bottom, there's no more sprinkles. So what I've noticed, at least, what happens to be the same from what did dissolve, if you look at our salt and our sugar and our sprinkles, they're all like a powdery substance, okay? And the powder dissolved in the water, where our things that were not powdery, like our cereal and our nuts, they stayed the same. They did not dissolve. So that's it for today, and you guys can try this at home too with other things you have in your kitchen. You can see what dissolves by pouring hot water with mom and dad's help, of course, and then you can let me know what you guys found. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Bye.